Hello and welcome to today's podcast. In this episode, we're going to talk about the past. We'll learn how to use simple past tense to describe events, share memories, and talk about what we did yesterday, last week, or even years ago. Whether you want to talk about a fun trip, an old friend, or a school memory, this episode is for you. Let's get started with useful and easy English sentences for A2 level learners. Part 1. Moby. I visited my grandmother last weekend. She cooked a delicious meal yesterday. We watched a movie last night. He played football after school. They studied for the test. I didn't go to the party. Did you see the new store? We traveled to Italy in 2020. She wrote a long letter. I bought a new jacket last month. Part 2. Memories. I remember my first day at school. We had so much fun at the beach. He told me a funny story. I lost my keys last week. She met her best friend in high school. We played outside all day. My parents took me to the zoo. I saw a rainbow after the rain. We danced at the wedding. I helped my dad in the garden. Part 3. Childhood events. I loved cartoons as a child. We lived in a small house. I had a red bicycle. My brother and I climbed trees. I always played with my cousins. We went camping every summer. My grandma told us bedtime stories. I didn't like vegetables. We visited our grandparents often. I broke my arm when I was 8. Part 4. Things you did. I read 3 books last month. She cleaned the entire house. We painted the living room. I finished the homework early. He called me yesterday. They walked to the park. I forgot to bring my notebook. We stayed at a hotel. I listened to my favorite song. She watched the sunrise. Part 5. Past travel. Past travel. I went to Paris in 2019. We took a lot of pictures. The hotel was very nice. I tried French food. The weather was perfect. We visited many museums. I bought some souvenirs. We flew on a big airplane. It was my first time abroad. I want to go again someday. Part 6. Past school experiences. I failed my first math test. I studied hard after that. The teacher gave us a surprise quiz. We had a school trip to the museum. I joined the drama club. I learned to write essays. I graduated last year. She gave a great presentation. We played games in English class. My favorite subject was history. Part 7. Everyday past events. I got up late this morning. She missed the bus. I ate cereal for breakfast. We had lunch at noon. He forgot his wallet. I called my friend in the evening. I cleaned my room yesterday. We watched TV after dinner. I went to bed early. The power went out last night. Part 8. Unexpected past events. I lost my phone in the taxi. We found a cat near our house. I got a gift from a stranger. It snowed in April. The teacher canceled the test. We won a small prize. I met a famous actor once. She got sick before the trip. I spilled coffee on my shirt. The concert was canceled. Part 9. Reactions to the past. That was amazing. I didn't expect that. It was a big surprise. I felt so happy. We were shocked. I was very tired. It made me laugh. She was excited. I couldn't believe it. That's all for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed learning how to talk about the past in English. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to share your own stories and memories. If you liked this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.